you can create international TikTok account that has all the benefits of international TikTok account right here in Africa, right here in Nigeria, or any other country apart from that 6 country that TikTok verified for the international account. You can create it in any country and it will be verified, and you will have all the features, and when you make use of the features, you start making money in TikTok. In this video, I want to show you how you can actually create this international TikTok account and start making your content. When it's verified, you meet all the criteria, your account will be monetized and they will be paying you for your videos, for your views, and you will have TikTok shop. That one, you can even make more money, especially if you are someone that is already into affiliate marketing. You will use TikTok shop and make millions of dollars or pounds, depends on the country you open your TikTok international account with. Okay, and I prefer UK TikTok account. Number one, to verify for their tax is very easy. The US is so tight that you really need information from someone in US, which even if you have someone in US, they might not be willing to give you the information that TikTok is asking for. So UK is the best. And secondly, they pay in pounds. Pounds is higher than dollar, while USA pay with dollar. So pounds is higher than dollar. We need more money. So let's go there. This method, I've used it to open three of my accounts and they are running. Some people will tell you that once you use VPN, open your account, you start making videos and it will have all the features. It's true sometimes, but you will not be getting viewers because TikTok is really working on how to dictate people that are not in all those countries that are verified that are opening their accounts. So there are much settings and procedures you have to follow. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to do. There is plenty money in TikTok. You can, if you don't have a job or your job is not paying you what you want, or you need you need a financial breakthrough, you can get that through TikTok. Yes, I'm telling you, you can get your financial breakthrough through TikTok. There is money, a lot of money to be made in TikTok. It's just for you to be committed. So that if you open this international TikTok account, once you get 1,000 followers, you will start making money. Do you know? Let's start the account creation. Do you know what will happen? Subscribe to this channel because I will be posting updates, do's and don'ts that will guide this international TikTok account. You wouldn't like to miss anything. And like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it. Your friends, your loved ones may need it. To create your international account and it will be running smoothly as if you are in that country, you need extra phone. You need extra phone because the phone you are using, you have to remove the SIM card. Or if you are using one phone, just know that there will not be SIM card in that phone that you are using. You just connect through Wi-Fi and that will be okay. Then you need some settings. You need to do some settings on your phone. So you come to your phone settings, click on the settings. You go to location. Okay. Next step, you go to use network provider time. So when you get to use network provider time, click on use GPS provider time. Okay, use GPS provider time. That's what you're gonna use. The next place you will go to is your time zone. So in your time zone, if you are opening your account in UK, your time zone, just go there and choose London. Okay, choose London, meaning these are all the settings you need to do before you. Next thing you need now is your VPN. So the VPN we are using is called Planet VPN. That's what we are going to use. It has paid plan and a free plan. Is the free plan that I am using. Once your VPN is connected, the next thing you have to do is go to your browser. Go to your browser, type in tiktok.com. Once you type tiktok.com, you click on it, click on create account. Before then, uninstall the TikTok that is in your phone. Okay, uninstall the TikTok that is in your phone, then go to browser, type in tiktok.com, click on sign up. Once you click on it, they will ask you to sign up with phone number or email. Click on email. Make sure you use a new email, not email that you have used to open a TikTok account before. Use a different email. If you don't have another email, just open an email, that is Gmail, first before you start. Okay, use the email to sign up with the account. After signing up on your browser, you can then install another TikTok and log in with that email address. But don't log in with that email address that day unless you will still leave your VPN on. You can log in that day. Log in, just log in and leave it. Don't click anything, don't watch videos, don't upload your profile picture. Just leave the account to rest. Just leave it. After 2 days, okay, after 48 hours, just give it 2 days or 3 days, leave it. After the 3 days, you can then come back, log in, do any other thing you want to do. Put your profile picture, put anything, your picture cover, your video, and do one video. Okay, see you in the next video to give you more tips on how to grow the account. Subscribe and like this video. Bye.